Pickleball night. Ang aming bayani. Yun o, grabe naman warm up yan, engineer. Alex.
Warming up. Sir Poy, number 14. Si Bol, best libero.
Yun o.
Finals MVP. Oh, nanunod. New meta. Unlaced na sapatos. You know.
Nakagaling.
Nakagaling plus 10 agility.
Voting by laps.
Hello! Yan, basta.
Dating trainer ni Alex Ayala.
Yan!
Bang. May tunog talaga.
Now watch me whip, hey. Now watch me nene. Okay. Now watch me whip,
Hey.
whip.
DJ Music.
Now watch me nene.
Bang. O, diba? If you can perform.
Alex Kabagnot.
Hi guys! Welcome to Pickleball Night from Sanovex. We're live in Sanovex building. Hi! So, currently we are playing pickleball here in the office.
It's our second day at
P-check.
Fit check.
Now watch me nene.
Top from Shopee. Shorts from Baclaran. Shoes in pa rin. Smartwatch.
Jersey from Payday CFL tournament.
Wow.
Shorts from Sanovex 78ers champion of basketball. Socks Nike, Nike hit me up. And shoes sponsored by UST. Come on, bro. You know what?
Headset shocks. Jersey O+, shorts Shopee, shoes Adidas,
Socks Adidas.
socks XP.
Wow!
Memo.
Memo.
Short. Hindi ko alam.
Ano yan?
Ano yan?
Reebok.
Yanis.
Yanis. Anong Yanis?
Depende.
alam. Yanis de Beret. Apple Watch.
Apple Watch.
New era.
Watch.
Now watch me nene.
Casio. Whoa! Jersey, homemade. Shoes, Antaclay. Whoa!
From Shopee.
Whoa! Sa'yo yung Miss Necklace. Ay,
Wala. Necklace.
hindi ko naman maalam.
Outfit check. Shopee, Adidas.
Now watch me nene. Okay. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me nene.